Hi comrades, yours Kayveeyes. The Ministry of Law and Justice, by its circular dated 19/6/2024, has clarified on the ruling position of Rule 18 in the CCS Conduct Rules, that is about the prior permission for purchase of movable property and also the immovable properties. That is, Rule 18 of the CCS Conduct Rules deals with the purchase of movable and immovable properties. As per Sub-Rule 2 of Rule 18, all government servants to make a report to the prescribed authority before entering into any transaction of immovable property in their own name or in the name of the members of the family. So as per the Rule 18, Sub-Rule 2, government servant should definitely report to the prescribed authority before entering to any transaction of immovable property. If purchase any immovable property, whether on his own name or his names of his family members, he should intimate. He should make a report to the prescribed authority before entering into any transaction. If such transaction with a person having official dealing, prior sanction is required from the authority for such transaction. Actually, a report is sufficient for purchase of immovable property either in his name or in his family member's name. But if he is having the official dealing from the person to whom the property is purchased, a prior sanction is required from the authority for such a transaction. This is as per Sub-Rule 2 of the Rule 18. Sub-Rule 3 provides that entering into any transactions of movable, intimation should be given within 1 month. Any movable property, whether it is a car, whether it is a valuable motorcycle or a purchase of TV or something else, whatever be the movable property, intimation should be given within 1 month of the purchase. If exceeds the monthly monetary limits prescribed for entering into transaction of such movable property. If it is with a person having any official dealing, prior sanction of the authority should be obtained. It is not only for the immovable property, even for the movable property also, if it is purchased or if it is getting from a person who is having his official dealing, prior permission must be obtained. Prior intimation is sufficient for entering into transaction of immovable property, and in many places they are in confusion with prior permission, and it is also being refused in one case of West Bengal Circle, which has been brought to my notice earlier. One SPOs in West Bengal Circle, I don't want to mention his name. Definitely the people who are viewing, they will understand. He refused to give permission for purchase of immovable property, that is ancestral property, from a person of his relative. He is not having any official dealing. But that is not the rule. Only prior intimation is sufficient. This has been clarified by 19/6/2024 orders. Only for the last mentioning, that is about the prior intimation is sufficient for entering into such a transaction of immovable property, I am making this video, not for any other purpose. So it will clear the doubts of many comrades, and definitely it will be useful to some extent. With this I am concluding. Thank you very much, comrade. Meet again.